is the reversal zone, pinching myself. S&P collapsed 8 points, reminding you, do not ever acquire position at these levels, never ever ever in your life, unless you determine to trade with 20% success rate. Clear? Never ever ever get sold. Our cutie fruity trade on oil found buyers as we knew it would. We are out. That simple. Happy Thursday, everybody. We knew extremely well when not to buy S&P this morning. I warned you time and time and time again. I'm so passionate, I'm on the verge of losing my voice. Mwah! I love you, reversal zone. You never fail me, baby. I love you, decision point 2. Watch what happens. Sellers will step in. I love you, decision point 1. Respect the end of the minor trend. What do you want to trade is your choice. Just know what not to enter into and know where to buy. Remember what I said pre-market, you had such a flawless opportunity at 20.36 and 20.38 levels. I said, God, oh God, please collapse as low as possible. We'd love to buy as low as possible. So thank you so much for giving us so many flawless buying opportunities. Price is magic. You're witnessing nothing in this world is random. Nothing. Everything preset in price far in advance. Price is magnificent, beautiful, and flawless. And if you are as passionate about price as I am, and you spend 10,000 hours studying price, you may develop your own method. I'm well above 10,000 hours. I'm probably close to 40,000 hours. Who cares? I can't get enough of the price. Alfie's barometer could not be more clear. Sellers are stepping in. At any moment, I will be shorting S&P. I knew where to take profits off the table. Take a look. This is the key trade for the visitors. Take a look. This is totally different trade than finding sellers at the end of the minor trend. Take a look at the very first trade I discussed with students. This trade at reversal zone. Every single trade has different targets, but they all work. And that's the magic of the price. So what do you want to trade is up to you. But it never gets old, I promise. I promise you, this weekend I will be studying the price. I'll be probably drinking champagne if that is late afternoon and celebrating the magic of the price. Confirming nothing in this world is random. Confirming life is just such a temporary stage. And we're just actors. And if we play by the rules, life becomes magic. Alphys, it's a magnificent bullish impulse on 3-minute chart. Agree? Which means we will get continuation trade potentially at any moment. 8-minute flawless continuation trade right out of the manual. So 1-minute chart giving us continuation trade to the upside. You know the problem of that, correct? We are at reversal levels. Drastically more aggressive trade on S&P. Another point of re-entry, traders. Don't be fooled, as we're discussing with my students. We are at reversal levels. Showing you very active and very volatile formations continue playing out. Next level, 2046. This is what I call magnificent conservative trading at its best. And that's the magic of the price. Never, ever, ever cease to amaze me. Ever. It never gets old. Cautious. Clear? Remember what happened last time around at reversal levels. Is that clear? Simple and pure. Reversal zone is in. Buying that late, expect selling pressure. We are out. Very quick point on S&P. Picture perfect reminder. You are buying at reversal zone, sellers will continue stepping in with very big and very volatile formations. P for 13 points was picture perfect reminder. Respect and adore Fibonacci levels and only play by the rules. Sellers are coming, but this time I expect selling pressure to be drastically weaker. But I simply play by the rules. We'll get the short entry that plays by the rules. We'll take it down. Oil schmoil, decision point 2. Can it do something more? Let's look on the magic of the dance on oil. Oil reminded us this week the importance of Friday Fibonacci class. Daniel, can't wait to have you in that class. Thank you, David. That's the music to my ears. Day 1. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oil came to decision point 1, the end of the minor trend. Do you remember what has happened on Tuesday? I said traders, oh traders, we are in a pickle. Bullish trend is magnificent, but it came to the end of the minor trend. The only thing we can do is short. The only short I have is larger time frame. What else was the price telling me at that time? That more than likely this level will be broken. We took it down. Oil came to our first target that we analyzed Wednesday morning before the news release, and that's recorded on live video. Buyers picked up the steam from this level. We came to oil and we were here. I said, oh no, baby, why are you torturing me? Not nice. Again at these levels? No, no, no. I know better not to buy into it. We waited patiently for the news release and we bought from here. And oil blasted through. Point I'm making is, as my magnificent short trade collapsing, move your stop outside of break even and take it as your target, but only if you are a knowledgeable trader and if you know my method. 50 number not to be ignored. Let's take a look what happened next. Bullish rally despite extremely bearish news blasted through the levels identified by the price since last week and struggled at this level in overnight session. We came to the markets this morning and I said, oh, how magnificent this price gave us worthless fluff and then spectacular collapse. Oil is heading south, traders. Trade carefully. 2 of the trades I've taken this morning had been short. Oil is heading south. Long-term trade coming to very, very crucial target as I spelled out to you. This is very, very important level. Response at this level remains crucial. What has S&P done this morning? Reminder, we came to the market's price was at this level. I said, oh, torture. The only good thing that will happen to us is spectacular collapse. As we know, life, and especially trading, is all about trading based on the rules. S&P collapsed 14 points, reminding you, don't ever break the rules. Buying at reversal zone, it's like going through red light. You may get lucky, but if you want to play luck, why don't you just go to Vegas? Don't do that in trading. Does not work. We waited patiently and we bought as low as possible. S&P gave 5 to 10 points of entries. Magnificent bullish rally. 2 trades on S&P for the visitors, 2 trades on oil. Oil currently at reversal zone, taking pause as expected. And I would like to remind you why we're seeing such selling pressure on S&P. We have extremely powerful formations traders. I will be teaching tomorrow in Fibonacci class, as price spelled out since 2011, where reversal zone will be on S&P. We're witnessing only bearish corrections when it comes to monthly charts. The most powerful bearish correction on S&P was in October. That reminded you what I teach in the course? How much S&P adores decision point 2. Eventually S&P will do exact same thing on monthly, which it's done on hourly. Correction will become reversal. And that's exactly why we're seeing selling pressure on S&P. Bullish trend extremely tired. And this is exact reminder, which I will be teaching tomorrow in Fibonacci class. Spectacular trade on oil from 106, spelled out by the price since 2011, reached reversal levels. And here's the funny part. When I say, and I post on social media for the last 2 years, oil heading to 43, 42 area, and I get thank you letters from financial advisors and other people who listen to me, as it breaks my heart when I hear about Exxon executives that lost 80% of their retirement fund. Since 2011, oil spelled out it's heading south. Can oil make it to 40? Abso-freaking-lutely. So far it's only bullish correction. Oil reached 42 as spelled out by the price since 2011. And that's the power of alpha wave trader method. The same rules you see on short-term charts. If you holding major stocks, you knew when to get out, as price spelled out. The worst idea ever to be long oil. So, what is the good news? On oil, we are not far off from reversal area. Only bullish correction so far. But when reversal is coming, it's coming soon. That's when it's gonna get interesting. Oil is not gonna give us bullish corrections on monthly charts forever. We are at exhaustion levels. Again, oil can collapse until 30.60 and all the way till 12. All we know and all we witness entire morning. Respect and adore reversal zone. Oil at reversal zone, traders, and had been stuck here as spelled out by the price since a week ago. And that's the magic of the price. And that's the biggest compliment I can get from my students. That's a message from David B. First day in the course. And that's why I cannot be more proud of what I do. Let's update the results. Finally. Is anyone surprised at proprietary Fibonacci levels I named reversal zone every time you see a reversal? We've done 2 more trades on S&P, which will take us number 243. Out of 43, only 4 trades are negative. Anybody wants to use any indicators? You may speak now. Out of 43 trades, 39 trades reached our targets. Clear? S&P reminded you the importance of moving your stop to break even. I had shown you examples, charts, and trades playing out I discussed with my students on 5 charts. I brought up to the trading room only 2. One of these trades on S&P had reached reversal zone. Constantly emphasized to you the importance of moving your stop outside of break-even when price comes to decision point 2. 2 trades on oil, 1 trade currently at reversal zone, 50.01. So far we accomplished 42 trades on oil. Out of 42 trades, 37 positive. Clear? What are you seeing and what are you witnessing on the charts? One of my trades already reached reversal zone. Second trade still in a progress as it's larger time frame trade. Trail was not hit. Trail was not hit. Next level on oil 49.93. Oil blasting through 49.85. 50 is broken. Hoo-hoo! Buckle up. What has happened with that beautiful, marvelous short on oil? Oh no! Buyer stepped in again, reminding you the power of Fibonacci levels and the power of reversal zone. How magical is that? What a magnificent puzzle price really is. Not surprising. That's why I thought, what a perfect name. Initially I named this level as Danger Zone, and then I renamed it to make it even more clear. It is reversal zone, and it's never to be disrespected. Simple.